The nerve center of terrorism in Pakistan, Murid Ke, Jaish-e-Mohammed headquarters in Bahawalpur has been targeted successfully. We have a set of satellite pictures. Remember, India Today 2 months back used satellite pictures to show why Jaish-e-Mohammed HQ was so important. There was visual evidence to show that the headquarters of Jaish-e-Mohammed in Bahawalpur has been expanding over the years. Now, this on your screens, this on your screens is the satellite pictures, one of the prominent targets hit by the Indian armed forces. This particular building is called Jamia Subhanallah. This particular building is called Jamia Subhanallah. Now we have visual evidence to confirm that over past 2-3 years, this compound has increased dramatically. You see these marks marked in red. This is where the expansion has been happening over the years. Remember, Pakistan was whitelisted from FATF's grey list for for doing enough to curtail terrorism. And throughout all those months and years, the HQ of Jaish-e-Mohammed in Bahawalpur has been expanding. There is even a swimming pool there. This these red marks that you see, these part these part of the compound have come up over past few months and years. Remember, this building is known as Jamia Subhanallah. Earlier today, the Pakistan ministry confirmed that this particular building has been hit. Again, these are the auxiliary parts. What we are given to understand is that a lot of construction has been happening in this part of the compound. Some residential places, maybe some hostels. There was also a madrasa here. One of the key targets why this place was so important, Gaurav. Unlike Balakot, this is not a semi-permanent place. This was supposed to be so safe for Masood Azhar because
Yes.
a Pakistan Air Force base is just right here in this town, and right on this highway is the HQ of Jaish-e-Mohammed. Masood Azhar, Maulana Asghar Rauf, all his associates felt so safe staying here because they believed because there is a PAF base in this particular city, they will be safe. But what has been achieved today, it is unparalleled. Similarly, the other target, Murid K, the HQ of Lashkar-e-Toba. Pakistani military was trying a propaganda operation. They were supposed to take all the foreign journalists today for a tour to Bahawalpur and Murid Ke. I know a lot of
Okay.
them have been following India Today broadcast. One important point, Gaurav, don't go by Indian media reporting. Don't go by what Indian military is saying. Just go and check what David Coleman Headley told FBI. David Coleman Headley, the key plotter, arrested by FBI, currently serving prison in the US, is on record saying that he visited Murid Ke. There was a Lashkar camp in Murid Ke. Tahawur Rana visited Murid Ke. So that is why Murid Ke is so important. And this place, fighters, militants, terrorists from Afghanistan were brought here. Listen to Maulana Masood Azhar. And this place was supposed to be the Abbottabad, the new Abbottabad of Pakistan. Why? Because of its proximity, with the Pakistan Air Force base. And this place has been hit. So this is why we are calling it the unthinkable in terms of what Masood Azhar, the likes of Hafiz Saeed, has been thinking. The unthinkable has happened.